So hopefully you were able to get your text onto the plan, and then we're going to investigate this text. Remember, we measured the height of the text. Now let's look here. Remember, we said 3 millimeters, right? So let's look here and zoom this. So double click, go to model space. Another way of going to model space is typing MS, right? Of course, it's easier just to double click. Okay, once you see this XY coordinate right here, you know you are in model space. Okay, if you double click outside the viewport, you'll see this triangle here. You know you are in paper space. So PS is the shortcut to go to paper space. MS is the shortcut to go to paper space. Why do you need to know that command? Sometimes you are zoomed in and then you double click inside, you are in model space. How do I get to paper space now? Well, I cannot because I am zoomed in. See, I cannot click outside. Anywhere I click, I'm still in model space. Right? That's why you need the command. What's the command? What's that? P zoom? Zoom E? No, zoom E will not work also. See, that's zoom E. PS. You need to go to paper space. PS. Now that I'm in paper space, I can zoom out to the paper. Okay? So sometimes you're so zoomed in, you cannot get out. So PS to get out. Okay, so go and select 1 to 100. Okay? And then go to model space. Oh, sorry, paper space. Okay? I'm now in paper space. Zoom in. So this is scale 1 to 100. And then check the distance. This should be about 3 millimeters. So when it prints out, you print at 3 millimeter. Okay? Does that make sense? Yep. Okay. Just a second. Now, what if I double click again and choose 1 to 50? What happened? 1 to 50. Look at the text. I go to paper space, zoom in, and I check the distance. It is still 3 millimeters. That's the power of annotative style. Even if you change the scale, the height of the text is still going to be 3 millimeter. So don't guess, I don't want to see your text going too big or too little or it's not annotative because it's very powerful. Okay? So that's how annotative works.